Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn visitors into buyers with Shopify giveaways. This is really cool. It's going to work with giveaways and contests, and I'm going to show you how to do it the right way, how to use Shopify giveaways, how to use Shopify contests as a tool. Because every single e-commerce store, it doesn't matter what you're selling, whether it's print on demand or drop shipping or custom products, all e-commerce stores need to build their lists, they need to engage with their visitors, and they need to boost sales. And a really popular strategy right now is to engage with your visitors and turn them into customers by offering these exciting giveaways, these engaging contests that are going to help build your email list, boost engagement, and really most importantly, boost sales, get you new customers, make you more money. And when you want to go ahead and implement this strategy, there are some pain points that you might run into. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the exact app that I use. It's super easy to use, doesn't require any prior technological skill or anything like that. And really most importantly, the app that you use must allow you to grow your email list and own the data. Right, that's a big key that you want to look out for. Most of these apps, they just simply don't allow you to grow your list. They don't allow you to control the data. They don't allow you to monetize on all of this engagement. And you also want to find an app that's going to incentivize and reward important actions. Of course, we want to reward purchasing, but we also want to reward things like referring to a friend or following, right, or interacting with social. It's just going to allow us to sell more. So all these important actions, obviously purchasing the most, but all these other actions will lead to higher conversions, higher sales, more money in your pocket. And if you want to do this the right way, you're going to use Giveaway Ninja. Really cool app. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you the Shopify app. I'm going to show you it in my store, and you're going to see just how powerful this is when you implement this strategy. So again, you see the link directly below this video. Let's go ahead and go over the shoulder. We see the Giveaway Ninja app over here, and first thing you want to pay attention to, a perfect 5 out of 5 star review on over 100 reviews, 5 out of 5 stars. You know that it's an insanely good app. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and how to run giveaways and contests that are going to boost engagement, grow your email list, generate sales, and it's really cool. You can create a giveaway in minutes. You'll see me do it over the shoulder. You don't need any prior experience. You can even host it on your branded landing page. You could integrate it. It's really cool. You can do purchase-based giveaways as well, rewarding customers for taking the most important actions. Other actions as well, like I was mentioning before, following, referring a friend, right? There's a lot of things that you can configure. You'll see it over the shoulder. Really all about turning visitors into ambassadors, turning visitors into engaged customers, and you'll see that it's going to look really great on mobile as well. We'll have the ability to kind of set everything up, and you see the actions that you'll be able to configure over here in terms of things like social media, and they're all categorized here based on different entry actions. Really intuitive editor. You'll see me create a giveaway, but it's really all about kind of just saying, okay, what do we want? Do we want to boost sales? Do we want to get more traffic? Do we want to get more subscribers on social, right? All of these great business actions that are going to help us grow our store, we have the ability to integrate in these giveaways and these contests. It's really cool. Fully branded in terms of what you want to kind of showcase, what text you want to have on out there. You see kind of imagery and colors, and even the text and the fonts can be changed. And purchase-based giveaways, really cool, right? Buy products, earn entries, win. It's all about incentivizing that action, right? And no better action than sales. And here are all those powerful entry actions. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you all the different options that we have here. But again, that 5 out of 5 star review, pretty amazing. You get a free trial as well. So take a look at the link below. We're going to go over the shoulder now. All you need to do to follow along, just simply press the install button over here. You'll literally be able to follow me step by step as I create a really cool giveaway here with Giveaway Ninja. So press the install button, get it installed, and now let's go over the shoulder. Okay, so we installed the app. First thing that we need to do to complete the setup, we're basically just going to go activate this app. All you need to do, you press this button. It's going to bring us over into our Shopify theme editor. Right into the app embed section, you're going to see it automatically toggles it on. This would be off, and here you go, it's on. So we're just going to press save. It's really all you need to do in terms of turning this on and connecting it to your theme. So we'll click that. Now we have everything good here. this is going to be your dashboard. You're going to be logging in here, seeing all of your stats. Of course, we just installed this app right now, so we're not seeing anything, but you'll see all of your information about the plan. I'm on the premium plan over here. You could always change your plan right over here. Seeing your usage quota over here, this has to do with your plan that you pick over here, and you can go and click into here. See the different options over here, up to 2,000 monthly users, unlimited monthly users, really just depending on your needs. Also save big if you go ahead with the annual subscription as well. So again, dashboard, right? All your stats going to load up here every single day. Users, entries, referrals, right? How many sales we're getting through the app. Really cool. Just to kind of show you what's going on and to really just give you that analytic dashboard when you first log in. So you'll want to follow along because we're going to go ahead and create our first giveaway. Again, we've activated the app so we can start building our giveaways. And we'll come over here. This is going to be just the giveaways section. And this is really my favorite part about the app. Totally visual. What you see is what you get in terms of every single portion of this giveaway. We'll be able to customize, of course, the giveaway details, but we're going to even be able to see different sections over here based on, what type of user, where they're at in the process. Are they logged in? It's really, really cool to have all that control. So we're going to go over here now and we're going to do the giveaway details. And you'll see as we kind of do this, I'm going to say this is a video test giveaway, and you see that it updates right over here in real time. We could describe our giveaway here and put details about what they might win or why they might want to enter and all that great stuff. Here we're going to set how many winners we want to have. So we want to have 5 winners or just 1 winner. Totally up to you. Here you go and set your time zone depending on where you're at. This is good in terms of when you want to schedule this to go, because we could automatically have this launch at a specific time. We could have this automatically end at a specific time. Really powerful there. We don't need to babysit this. We don't need to go ahead and set an alarm or anything like that. We could have it go with holidays and things like that. So the scheduling, really underrated portion of this. More things that we'll want to set up over here as we scroll down into the different options. We have direct URL. We could turn this on. This is going to publish it on Giveaway Ninja. Really cool because we'll have a copy and paste link. I'll just call this example video giveaway. And further down here, we have our embedding code. This is really cool. Copy and paste this code on any page, on let's say a funnel page or Shopify page or really any website. Just take this and copy it, paste this in anywhere. It's going to actually go ahead and embed this giveaway just like you see it, and we'll design it in a second. We have notification options as well. We have email validation options. This is really cool to make sure that people are actually signing up with valid emails. Really cool in terms of an option. Try that out. You could do email confirmation and PIN if you want users to confirm their email. Really up to you in terms of options. We have everything in terms of terms and things like that. You'll be able to fill this out based on your own brand and all your own needs. You can also do some cool security things. Let's say you're getting really popular and people are trying to manipulate the giveaway. You could allow 3 max signups over here. You could even have invisible reCAPTCHAs to make sure that you're stopping fake or fraud signups. Tracking scripts as well. You want to put in your Google Analytics, you want to put in your Facebook Metapixel, you want to put in your TikTok pixel, all goes right here. So now let's work on the sign up form here. You're going to see the different options over here. This is going to be the header, and you see when we put this in, it goes right into that section. So all you need to do is just edit it to enter our amazing giveaway. Put in whatever you want here, enter with your email. You can change this, put in whatever you want here. Enter now, you could say submit now. You could say good luck. All right, whatever you want in terms of this button. You see that it is customized right here. We'll just put enter now. We could set requirements for having name or phone number in here. A lot of people love collecting phone number here, especially because you'll be able to then have them opt into marketing messages. That's the key, where we'll then be able to go ahead and get them to see our marketing, see our text message marketing if you're going to require phone as well. Coming over here, we have opt-ins over here, and we can put this implicit opt-in, which is something to try. Really just depends on your own kind of opt-in settings and thresholds for your business over here, and you could change the text over here as well if you want to change that checkbox. GDPR is really more so for EU users. European users are subject to that GDPR policy. You can have this on or off, really up to you in terms of that. Again, you have the checkbox and link. You could require this for everyone as well if you just want to have it on in terms of totally, having this checkbox. You see if I remove it, the terms and privacy policy goes away. So it's kind of a good thing to have, good thing to keep when it comes to just best practices for your giveaways here. Integrations are cool because you could also integrate your email list. This is really powerful. I know a lot of you are using Klaviyo, MailChimp still, right? A lot of these popular email integrations, you could set these up, have your emails automatically be triggered here through your typical email provider if you like using one of those. And we have our giveaway tag. This is just to kind of keep things organized in terms of our Shopify customers to quickly be able to search in the Shopify dashboard who is in our who's in our giveaway. And really kind of cool because you start to see a lot about these people and you can really follow them throughout. So let's go to entry actions. By far the most important part of this entire app. And this is going to allow us to really achieve a goal, right? Our goal is not to enter the giveaway. That's the customer's goal. Our goal is to get some type of business action out of this giveaway. We want to grow our business. We want to grow our e-commerce store. You see all these different actions, right? These are all actions that lead to better business. Of course, making a purchase, that's the most direct one, right? Making a purchase is really, the easiest and most direct thing for us to say, hey, this is profitable. But I'm going to show you there are more options as well. But you see, as we go ahead and click this one, you see down here, we have kind of the terms in terms of what's happening, or the trigger, or the action, as they say, in Giveaway Ninja. And it's going to be all customizable. Make a purchase and earn points. Maybe you want to brand it something and call it cat lover points, or, whatever, tennis lover points, or whatever your niche is, or whatever your brand is. Customize it here, right? So customize this here, right? You could do whatever you want, really. And just go back to earn points. See over here now, make a purchase, no purchase required. That is something that is kind of a requirement in terms of legal giveaways. You can't have purchases be the main entry here. So it's technically no purchase required, but you see you earn points when you do make a purchase, and that gives you the ability to win. So we have over here master discount code as well. You could offer a discount code for everyone. You can go ahead and this will bring us back and actually go ahead and create a discount code. This would be a discount code that would be used really to track this giveaway as well. I like using discount codes obviously to incentivize, but also to track, see what's working over there. You could have reward mode over here in terms of fixed entry or order value entry. Let's say they spend $100, they can get 100 entries in this case, or in this case, they'll just get 10 entries every order. I like rewarding them one-to-one. So you spend $1, you get a point. And each point counts for entries. So more entries, that's how you really incentivize here with purchases. And a really cool thing, auto sign up customers on purchase, right? There's nothing to, especially when customers already buy, there's nothing that they need to do. We already have their information. We might as well just enter them into this giveaway. And you might think, well, what's the point of getting someone who's already been a customer? Well, we want to keep them engaged. We want them to really love our brand, and we want them to come back and buy more. So, of course, we're going to get them in here as well. So that's one option that we can do. I'm actually going to back out of this and cancel because there's a lot of other cool options as well that I think are super valuable here, and they're a lot easier to achieve from a customer standpoint, right? We want to give our customer little steps, or our potential customers, I should say, our site visitors, our store visitors, give them little steps to turn into customers. And of course, we'd love for them to just make a purchase immediately, but sometimes that doesn't happen, right? Sometimes we want them to visit a specific page, right? We want them to take a look at our specific, let's say, our top selling products, or maybe our hottest seller of the week, right? We could literally send them to a direct product page on our site. So I can come over here and go to my site and pick a product. I'll pick one of our more popular products over here, and I'll take this URL and I'll simply paste it in right over here. So we want them to check out this page, and if they do, they're going to get a point, right? Remember, 1 point equals 1 entry. The more entries you get, the higher chance you have to win. So we could change this visitor page, say check out our brand new t-shirt, right? And we put over here, this is just released and already super popular. Put whatever you want here, right? This is marketing over here. This is all about kind of hooking them and getting them to take this action. And not only that, but we want sales out of this, right? Hopefully they enjoy this product and like it. All right, so that's one very basic option here. And you see that I saved it, and I still have the ability to add more. Well, that's because we can chain these actions over here. We can create a huge amount of giveaway entry actions to really allow us to get exactly what we want, right? We can create basically a funnel or a guide here in terms of how to make the most engaged customer. So let's see some other actions that we can do. Refer a friend, tweet a message on X, right? Visit us on Facebook, follow on Twitter, follow on TikTok, right? What's your most important social media channel? Let's say it's TikTok, right? Okay. Well, we're going to want to come over here. And we'll put all this in here. And if it's super important to us, how about this? We'll give them 5 points for it. All right, so we can come over here and save. See now another action over here. And different point totals for it. So it's really cool. I really like prioritizing what's most important to my brand. So for me, TikTok, super important. Instagram, super important as well. I'm going to give these the most points here. I'll go to my Instagram page. Okay, we'll save that. And I'll bump that up as well. So now you get to see this little giveaway thing here. And really you get the understanding that, again, we have actions that are important to us. Make a purchase is, of course, very important, but don't discount these actions over here. Right? If you think about a customer, of course, we'd love someone to pay us immediately, but if someone's going to visit our most popular page and then they're going to follow us on our most important social channels, there's a really good chance that we'll be able to sell to them again. So how about something else? Let's say you're doing a specific product launch and you want them to go see a specific video that we launched on our YouTube or on our TikTok, right? Or even cooler over here, how about things like this? We want to collect user-generated feedback. And let's say we're a cat brand. Submit a picture with your pet. We want to see you with your pets. Okay, something like that. Give it 10 points. Okay, and now you see again. Different actions, right? This is easy to do. This is valuable for us. This is, pretty engaging for someone to do. We reward it this way. But think about someone doing all these different entries, right? They're very incentivized to do that because they're getting over 20 entries over here by following these actions. And of course, we could add more. We can answer a question. How about something like, what t-shirt design do you want to see next? Let's give it 3 points. Save that over here, right? And I'm going to bump this up to the top. And how about just for fun, let's do refer a friend. Okay, refer a friend, really cool, of course. This allows us to, kind of get the idea of, hey, we want you to be an ambassador for us. So you see the invite your friends section over here, and, we can move it around as well. Looks pretty good on the bottom here. So we've got our entry actions. Let's go to design now. And this is going to be where we have the ability to have different types of images over here, different types of icons over here. You see our gift, our megaphone, right? You see it changing over here in our launch button. Have our giveaway text over here. We could add cover images. We could have desktop position options, bottom left, bottom right. Maybe you want to disable it on mobile. Right, we have different options over here. How about our color scheme? Right, I'm going to go ahead and match my blue color scheme over here. That looks good. That matches my theme over here, right? So we're going to have everything branded over here. We see our text. We could even change the fonts, which I really like. So you have a specific font type for your store. You can go ahead and change it. Put something custom over here, right? You see all these different options for fonts, some really cool ones as well. Just change these around, play around with this just so you could see this for a second. Like Mako over here, it's a good font. Leaderboard, I like this because this is something where, you have a little bit of competition, right? This is the idea of adding engagement, adding stickiness to our brand. Show our leaderboard over here and kind of, again, motivates people to go further. If you start collecting a lot of imagery, I like turning on the gallery. It's kind of powerful there. And then when the giveaway is over, we have customization text for it as well. So we have CSS options. We have all the different design options that we could ever want. We even have some advanced options in terms of showcasing or hiding the widget on specific pages. Let's say we don't want to show it on the cart page. Let's say we don't want to show it on a sales page. Let's say we don't want to show it on any page that we want. We could put in the URLs here, one per line, for hiding over here, I should say. Initial page trigger, right? We could set this trigger with UTM tags. So let's say we want to run this to trigger from someone who comes from our Facebook ads, for example. We could do that. Really, really powerful here in terms of these advanced options. You don't need them, but they are kind of cool if you really want to take this to the next level and add more control. So what do we have? Our giveaway, we have a sign-up form, we have entry actions, we have the design, and we have the ability to go advanced if we want. Really, really easy. We're going to save all this, and now we're going to publish it. We've filled out all the forms, we've done all the requirements. We now have a published form, and you see that it is now enabled over here. So let's go back to our dashboard real quick. Of course, I'll show you this live in a second, but now that we have some giveaways, we'll be able to actually start to see some data come through as our customers see it. And inside the giveaways section, we have our sample video giveaway that I just created over here. It's live based on all of the parameters that we saw. If we want to see entries over here, we'll be able to click in entries. It's going to show us all of the different entries that are in here. Of course, there's none. We just published this right now. We can clone this as well. We can take a look at the users that have entered in to this. You know, even the customer data is all collected. Remember, we own it all. So really, really powerful there. And of course, at any time, we can come over into edit and change anything that we want. We now have our giveaway link available as well. And this is cool because it's really easy, quick to share. You don't need to embed it anywhere. Just a real quick copy and paste link over here. But here's our giveaway in action, right? And I'll show you it on our store as well. But here's that direct link to it. They could enter. They could do different actions over here. It's just as we set it up. And now I'm on the website over here. You see the widget that we set to show on that bottom left. Click on giveaway. And again, it's the exact same thing. Now it's just embedded in our site. Same exact setup and all the different actions. Again, totally customizable. I'll come over here and enter in my email over here, and I'll come over and agree to the terms. I'll enter now, and I'm in. Now I'm going to do some different actions. What t-shirt design? I want to see a funny cat design for football. Send the answer. Okay, great. Now what just happened when I did that? I got my 3 entries. Right, it literally updated right now. So I can come over here. How about check out our brand new shirt? Visit this page. Okay, oh, it's great, you know. Got my entry over here as well. Got my referral link. Right, you see my rewards per referral link. I could do things like follow on TikTok, visit on Instagram, etc., etc. All of these actions, all contained here in the giveaways. Got my leaderboard as well. Really cool. Of course, I'm the first one in there because I just started, but you get the idea. This is going to be able to really engage your customers. This is Giveaway Ninja. It's an incredibly powerful app. I highly recommend it. I mean, literally just follow exactly what I did. Get a giveaway running in your store. You're going to love the added engagement, the added email addresses in your list, and the added sales and conversion rate. So highly recommended. Link directly below this video. Hope this helps you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon.